All right, guys, February the 21st, Friday, our second job of the day. Check it out, guys. I had showed T the first house I ever cleaned when I started my business almost 19 years ago was in this subdivision. I was using a portable, and I was so nervous. It was my first client. She actually found me from the road signs I used to put out years ago. So anyway, this is a client also found me. I think they found me on Facebook. Saw one of my posts about countertops. We got some quartz countertops we're going to be restoring, and also like a built-in table. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going on this beautiful day. Guys, when I tell you the weather is perfect, it is perfect. Fall is my favorite season. All right, guys, so let's go in and take a look. So these floor, it look like, there it is. That's what you do. I'm gonna tell them, you do not put this on your floors. That stuff keeps us busy. We just came from a wax removal. All right, guys, so what we're gonna be doing is these quartz countertops. All right, it looks like just the sealer is just basically just worn off really bad, so it needs to be clean. It feels really rough and gritty right here. And then, hey, pretty girl, she's so cute. And then we got this table right here. So guys, I think what it is, yeah, it just needs to be restored. So we're gonna clean it really good. We're gonna buff it. Then we're gonna do a light honing, and then we're gonna seal it. So yeah, guys, let's go ahead and get this party started. All right, so I'm gonna start off with the stone scrub, and then this little part here. All right, guys.
Yo, Truman's in the house. Countertops, baby. Let's go. Truman, get it good. Get it, Truman, get them countertops. Get it, get them good. Truman, get it good. Get it, Truman, get them countertops. Get it, get them good. Marble, granite, quartz, corian. Truman, Truman, get it, man. Get them countertops, get it, get them good. Buff it, shine it, seal it, pop. Brooklyn in Atlanta, we don't stop. Buff it, shine it, seal it, pop. Get them countertops looking hot. Truman, get it good. Get it, Truman, get them countertops. Get it, get them good. Marble, granite, quartz, corian. Truman, Truman, Truman.
All right, guys, that is gonna do it. Look at that now. All the areas of concern that my clients had are all gone. All right, so we're just doing some little post clean. I always like to clean up behind ourselves. Came out great. Got some good sealer on it, and that's gonna do it. All right, guys, we'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a repeat client that we're doing a wood floor screen and recoat in Midtown. We did his main house about 6 months ago. He got us coming back to do a rental property. And then we have another client. We did his countertops and his bathroom vanities. And he recommended us to his neighbor, and we're doing his neighbor's countertops tomorrow. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Thanks for watching.